Okay guys, in chapter number 5, we are go through about the support and resistance. Concept support and resistance. Have you know? Have you ever tried throwing a ball to the floor? Did the ball bounce back? Bouncing to the ceiling, right? The analogy is like this. The ball is like a prize. The floor is like a support and the ceiling is resistant. Okay, you can see when we are try throwing the ball at the support, I mean the level floor, and then the prize or the ball is start bounce back. They're going to the resistance or ceiling. I mean, we analogy the ball is like the prize. I'm saying again, the ball is a light prize when we are throwing at the support, and then just start rebound and go to the resistance. Okay, this is a support and resistance second analogy. Support and resistance can be analogy as a multi-story house. Okay, we look at the first one, support. The floor is a considered support or support price level. If the stock price breaks support, then you fall to the ground. Maybe your house will collapse. Number 2, support and resistance. For the stock price to go up, it needs to break the resistance. I mean the second floor for the resistance price. It takes a strong force, volume, to push up before the resistance can be broken. Number 3 is a resistance. Now you have managed to go up to the second floor of the house as a result of the combination of price plus volume that has break the resistance earlier. Now support is on the second floor while the resistance is on the second floor ceiling. If support break fall to the level 1, when resistance break, it rise to level up. That is the situation is over and over. Okay, we look at these pictures. This is the second analogy, and we use the double story house as our analogy. This is the first support. When the price is going up, and then they break at this resistance, and they start cross this resistance, and then the price is going up. That means at this area, they change from the resistance become support. So this is our new support. So where is our new resistance? At this area. This is our new resistance. I mean the second ceiling will become our new resistance. But remember, when the price is start falling down and they break or cross at this support, and then the price is still going down, this is our new support, and the old support become a new resistance. Remember, resistance become support, support become resistance. That is the key point. We continue about the support and resistance again. Support and resistance level exist because the stock market has its own memory, just like a human being who remembers the up and down in his life. By drawing a line on the chart where the resistance level 1 form, the trader will be more sensitive to where the price is likely to bounce and where it's need to make a profit. So if you can see in this area, uptrend doing the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high and higher low. Remember when we discuss about higher high and higher low in the uptrend. So that means at this area, the resistance is higher high and the support is higher low. Higher high, resistance, higher low, support. Higher high is resistance. Remember, in the uptrend, we're using the higher high and higher low. Higher high is a resistance and higher low is support. This is a gold chart and I'm using the 4 hours time frame. Okay, remember the first thing, we cannot use time frame less than 4 hours. We need to use time frame more than 4 hours above. Because why? Less than 4 hours have a noise. Remember that, have a noise. So this is a 4 hours time frame for the gold chart. And I already marking for you all which one is the support and which one is a resistance. As you can see right now, the actual price right now, the gold, they're doing the sideways. So you must remember the support and resistance is not line. There is a zone. Okay, you can see at this area. This is our resistance and this area is our support. So that means the price is playing at this range, at this resistance and this support. You can see because they are sideways. So when the market touch at the resistance and they cannot cross at this resistance, they start falling down. I mean the price are falling down. You can see they touch and they are falling down. And then market start doing again, rebounds again and touch at the resistance but cannot. And then at the second time they start falling down and go directly to the support, this area. So we look at the previous price, I mean the history of this gold chart. Okay, before this they have doing the sideways. And then you can see at this area, the price try to break at this resistance. How many times? First time and second time. At the third time, they can break at this area, at this resistance. But, okay, we see at this area. When they start first touch, cannot break, the market is falling down and touch at the support. Then market doing the second test at the resistance but cannot cross. Then they start the falling down again. The price is falling down. And after the third time, yes, they can break at this area and they are close above 10 resistance. Market doing the new resistance at this area. As you can see, market doing the uptrend. So as we discussed before, higher high as a resistance and higher low as a support. And then they are doing higher high as a resistance and higher low as a support. And then lastly, they are doing the resistance. After that, market start reverse. From the uptrend, they are reversal to the downtrend. This is a lower low become the support, and then lower high become a resistance. And then you can see at this, lower low becomes support and lower high become resistance. So after they make the downtrend at this area, and then the market start falling down, after that they are doing the sideways. Right now, we are waiting for the market. They want to make uptrend or downtrend. So we just monitor at the resistance and this support. When the market start cross at this support and they are close at below the support, remember that means the market want to change or just want to continue from the downtrend. Before you can see they are doing the downtrend and then the sideways. If they break at this support, that means the market still want to go down. But if the market cross at this resistance, that means the market reverse from the sideways to go to the uptrend. The most important thing is you must monitor at the resistance and support, because at this time when the market sideways, it's gonna be market going to up or market going to down. Monitor at this area, because based on our history, you can see at this area they are doing the sideways, and then markets try to break at this support but cannot. But 2 times they test at this resistance, the first resistance and second resistance, still not break. But the third try, you can see at this area, they break at this resistance, and then market going up and doing they are doing the uptrend. Okay, remember, monitor at this area, resistance and support. Okay, this is a SRP USD chart, and I'm using 4 hours time frame. Why we need using the 4 hours time frame? Because less than 4 hours time frame have a noise. So we using 4 hours and above to check the strong resistance and strong support. As you can see at this chart, market start doing the uptrend. So the higher highs, it become our resistance, higher low become our support. So the next is the higher high become resistance and higher low become support. The top is the top of the higher high, it become our resistance. After that, you can see the market start change the direction from the uptrend to go downtrend, and change our lower low become support and lower high become resistance, and this side is lower low become support. Okay, we see the next candle, the next trend for this one. After the market going down and they are doing the sideways at this area, the market start to break this support but cannot, and then they rebound and close above the resistance and start doing the new resistance, and the market is still going up. Why market cannot break at this support and continue the downtrend? See, they have a support before. Okay, at this area, this is a level support before. This is the previous price. So that's why when we see at the support, we can try to relate it the previous price. So you can see this support, the market touch at that level have a support before. Okay, why the market cannot break at this support and continue the downtrend? Because at the previous price, you can see our history at this level, another one support. So we have right now, we have a 2 support. That means this support, this level support is very strong. So that's why when market start touching at the support, they rebounds again. The price is rebound, and then they break the resistance at this area.
Okay, this is the WTI crude oil chart, and I'm using the 4 hours time frame. Why we need using the 4 hour time frame? If you want to find the support and the resistance, the strong support and strong resistance, you need using the 4 hour time frame and above. You cannot using less than 4 hour time frame because have a noise. So as you can see at this area, this line is our resistance. This zone is our resistance, and this zone is our support. So right now, market doing the sideways. As you can see, they are doing the sideways. So when the market doing the sideways, they are just playing within resistance and support. Is around resistance and support. You can see the first trend, they try to break out the resistance but cannot. After they touch at the resistance, they reverse and touch at the support. After they touch at the support, they rebound again, go to the resistance, make a second test, but still cannot to break the resistance, and then they reverse again, go to the support, still cannot break at the support, and they are doing the third time to cross the resistance but still cannot, and then you can see the market is falling down, and they are cross the support. Okay, they are cross the support at this area. So what we are do, we're looking at the next support. You can see this is our next support. They try to go at this support but cannot, and then the market reverse and doing this uptrend. You can see at this area they're doing the uptrend. We discussed before, higher low is support and higher highs is resistance. This is our new higher high, resistance, and higher low, support. Higher high, resistance, and higher low is support. As you can see, every in uptrend, higher high is resistance, and every in uptrend, higher low is support. As you can see, the last time market still uptrend. We are still waiting, so just monitor the market.